So what's up guys, Gibson here, and today I'll be showing how to solve the skewb. And the cube I'm using is the Moyo skewb, and it is magnetized version and of course stickerless. So the skewb is the most easiest WCA puzzle, and solving it is very easy, and the times are very low as sub 1 and sub 3 around, and I'm around sub 5 or sub 6. So I will be first teaching you the beginner's method, and for that you need just a good scramble for the cube. And as you see in this cube, the centers can move. In a normal Rubik's cube, the white is opposite to the yellow, red is opposite to the orange, green is opposite to the blue. But here the centers can change. I can bring this center here, this to there, and all. So firstly, like all Rubik's cubes, you have to solve the first layer, which is generally white because people prefer to solve with white. So I will be showing how to solve with white. So first you will be getting three cases where the white is facing, and you need to take the centerpiece, that is the white centerpiece, at the bottom face like this, and then you'll be getting three cases when white is at the left side or hidden, white at the top, and some other cases. So first let's take a look at the most easiest case. The most easiest case is this one where the white is at the left or hidden. You just need to bring this down and that solves it. And moreover, here there are no edge pieces, so that you would match the color with the edge pieces as well as the centerpiece. So what we have to do is match the corners. So here I can place this edge again to here, this place, but this would match this but not this too, blue, and here some color of green or orange would come, which is non-matching to the blue. So I have to find the blue piece where it hits over here. So, and here we get our next case when white is facing us or you. Then what you have to do is bring this down and get a case, and you have to make sure that the wire you are when you are doing this slot is empty. If this piece was over here instead of there, if I did this move, this would take this piece out of the slot. So as there are no pieces, no correct slot piece here, so just bring this side down and the normal insert. And here we see the last type of case where the white is at the top and the corrected edge is not over here. If the piece was over here, you would get another case. So for this, when white is at the top and it is not below the slot, so what you have to do is two times rotate it, bring this down so that it becomes like this, and the normal insert, and here a simple insert. A case which I wanted to show you, yes, this case, it illustrates the case which I wanted to point out, where it is on the correct slot but twisted. So what you do is take this back, flip this down and rotate it back, and bring this back again. I'll show you once again. Bring this back, take this piece out of the slot, the normal insert, and take it back. So now as you've learned how to solve this first layer, and keep in mind that you have to match these colors, and you don't have the edge piece, so you don't worry about that. And then till here the advanced method and the beginner's method are same, that you have to solve the first layer. But then the Severus method comes, which is the advanced method, and then the normal method, or even the method which I made on my own almost. So here what you have to do is solve the second layer completely and then move on to the third layer. For this you will need to learn just one algorithm known as the sledgehammer, but I will also teach you the head slammer, which is almost used in all the skewb tutorials. So what a sledgehammer is: this side down, this side down, this side up, and this side up. What it does is swap these two centers and these two centers. So we have to do the same. As you see, green is on the top now. Take to the center of the place where the green should be, not like this because it's the place of red, not like this because it's the place of blue, but to here because it's the place of the green. So what you do now, the sledgehammer which I showed you, down, down, up, and up. As you now see, you got an odd case which I wanted to point out, is that when yellow is at the top, when yellow is the top, then you have to just bring this down. For bringing this down, you have to bring that up. So for bringing that up, the same algorithm, down, down, up, and up. So now take this to blue center, down, down, up, up. You're left with the last two centers, down, down, up, and up. And the last time you have to do this, no, it's not the last time, you have to do once more. And finally, the last time, when you swap these two centers and these two, and they would be in perfect place. So as you see, all the centers of this second layer has been solved, and now we are left with the top layer. So luckily I got this case so that I can show you both the cases. So in this method you just get two cases at when you are solving at the top layer, and this is one where these two are solved and these two are facing like this, and the next one would be headlight over here, and these two would be like this and this. So what you do is a sledgehammer, down, down, up, and up, and then you rotate it twice. No, sorry. You have to perform the algorithm again. Down, down, up, and up. And there you get the case where it's over here. It should be like this. The headlight to the left. And this time, do the 1, 2, and solved. So the another algorithm which I said was the head slammer is the same thing but with the left side. Down, down, up, up. So that's for the head slammer, and completely I taught you how to solve the cube. And stay tuned for the advanced method, that's the SARAS method, and I will be uploading that video soon. And so stay tuned and subscribe my channel if you find the video useful. Leave a thumbs up. And if you have any problems regarding the method or any doubts or queries, leave a comment and I will see my best to help you out.